Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the EURUSD daily research. Today the last day of August. This is the hourly chart of EURUSD, but let's first return to our trading plan for the Monday that we have made during our weekly research that I placed on the ForexPeaceArmy.com, and that was in my video for the 13th of August. As you remember, I said that the key level for possible price action is this area, 126.899. This is the weekly pivot point for current week. And I said if market will show some flirting around this area and then possible thrust to the upside, we can enter on the retracement from this thrust on the long side of the market. As you can see, there was no any sign of thrust. Market just totally collapsed right here, and we can say that just erased this area of support. This didn't even bounce a bit from this area. So this is a very bearish sign, and I hope that you was aside of the market, or at least didn't enter on the long side during the yesterday trading day. So this is the bearish sign. But today I would like to discuss and show you some possibility for trading, very short-term trade. This is the very short-term context, I think, for a couple of hours. So this is the great possibility for so-called impulse trade or momentum trade. I like this kind of trades. So what does it mean? First of all, look at this. This green line is the 3x3 moving average. This is displaced moving average. What does it mean 3x3? This means that 3 periods simple moving average shifted forward for 3 periods. And look at this market, never closed during this sell-off, never closed above this line. So this is the good example of the thrust to the downside. And we can make the momentum trade. The main idea of the momentum trade is that after the solid thrust, the first retracement will be sold off by the new participants who enter the markets, or this will be just short covering, and new people will enter the market on the short side, and usually it leads to the continuation of the down move. So for starting of the momentum trade, we need to close above the 3x3 moving average, and market should reach the solid resistance area. Well, I think that the most suitable area for starting this momentum trade is this area of Fibonacci confluence resistance, hourly confluence resistance around 126.84. Well, we need to drop our time frame maybe to the 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart and see some A, B, C formation with the target around this area. Then we can enter on the short side of the market. Possibly, I think that maybe it will be a bit higher or a bit lower than this area, but I think that market shouldn't pass through this area for a momentum trade will take place. So market reached this area, we can sell right here. The target of this momentum trade is the 618 retracement from this low to this high, if this will be the high of this retracement. So the 618 support from this whole retracement to the upside. This will be the target. So this is very short-term context. Another possible scenario is the double repo, as the Jordan Napoli called this trade. This is a bit another kind of trade, but the context for this trade is also the solid thrust. What we have now, close above the 3x3, then we need close below. If it will be new lows, this will be much better, and again close above. When we see the bar that will close above this 3x3, this will be the bar of confirmation, and we also can expect some thrust, some move to the upside, possibly to this area. So if the momentum trade is the sell trade or enter on the short side, the double repo trade is the trade on the buy side of the market, with the target, I suppose, around 126.84, or maybe the weekly pivot point around 127. Well, the main condition for the double repo trade is that market during this retracement shouldn't reach any meaningful resistance area. So I suppose that this is also, maybe this is also the meaning, the solid resistance, but I think that will be okay if market just reach this area, then retrace back, close below the 3x3, close above, and then we can enter on the long side with the target maybe right here or around weekly pivot point. So this is the very short-term context for a couple of hours, I think, maybe for 4 hours. But this is the kind of trades that has a good possibility, a good probability for realization. So good luck. I think that you can use these possibilities for trading. Again, just to remind you, if market will reach this area, we can sell with target 618. Support from this low to this high, if this will be the high of this retracement, or if market won't reach this area, or this area will close below the 3x3, then again above, you can enter on the buy side with the target around this confluence resistance, or maybe weekly pivot point.